what does an NFT collector actually buy? So there is a confusion between people that if I'm buying an NFT, what I'm actually buying here.
So you are buying the, I would call it a existence of the certain image into the blockchain. You can say that proof of existence. I think that's the right word to say that when you are buying an NFT, you are buying a proof of existence of that NFT. And with that proof of existence, it can be tied up with the nothing, or it can be tied up with, an opportunity, as I said, right? Or an asset. Even it can be even an asset in the backend. So that can happen. So that's why it is called a NFT, proof of existence being traded as an NFT. So that's what happening. So of course, everybody has access to that image. So you can say that, okay, if somebody is buying it for 10 crore rupees, why would I buy it? Because if I can see it online, right?
Yeah.
The problem is that's not true. That's not how it works. When you go to a museum, you see a millions of dollar worth of painting or hundreds of $1 million worth of painting. Let's say Mona Lisa painting. You go to a museum and you see it, you click a picture, you enjoy it, you share it on internet, but that doesn't give you a right to own that picture, right? So NFTs are actually where you try to own something under your own wallet, under your own ownership. That's what it makes it more costly. So seeing something doesn't mean that you own it. That's how the entire Facebook and the UGC industry works. When you see a user generated content, you can enjoy it, you can love it, but you don't own it. And ultimate, the ownership always remain with the creator, and that ownership can be now traded as an NFT. That's why creator can make money out of it when they create something and then they sell it to someone else, and the entire purchase tail is being available on the internet. That is happening. If you're curious about NFTs and want to learn more about it, join our Telegram and Discord community. We have a lot of users, content, people talking about NFTs. You can get a chance to win free NFT token every week, and link is available in the description. Also, for any further questions regarding NFTs, NFTically, how to sell, how to buy, please post your questions on Twitter using my tag name AskTosh and hashtag AskTosh, and I'll be more than happy to reply and answer on that thread or tweet.